Something weird is coming to Rahway High School, and you simply must be part of it. A bloodthirsty plant, a lovable hero, a brave heroine, a conniving shop owner, a lunatic dentist, and a cast of hoodlums and riffraff make up the world of our all-school musical, Little Shop of Horrors. Everyone is invited to our audition workshop on a Monday, December 13th at 2:40 p.m. in the dance studio. Sign-ups for audition spots on Tuesday, December 14th are open now and posted to @WeAreRahwayArts on Instagram or TikTok, or follow the QR code on our posters in the hallway. No previous experience is necessary, just a love to have fun, work hard, and make some theatrical magic. Join us for one of the best experiences at Rahway High School, and remember to don't feed the plants!